Assalamu alaikum students of grade 4. How are you all? Today is 7th May 2020. It's your maths class and your maths teacher is here. We are doing unit number 21, area and parameter. Today we will do its lesson number 4. Workbook page number 224. Let's start our work. Challenge 1. Find the areas of this rectangle. I am doing part A from your book. This is a rectangle. You can see how you can count its length and width. You can do it by yourself like this. Here 1 2 3, okay, and here 1 2 3 4. It's mean that this is its length and this is its width, okay. So it is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of this rectangle. First you will write the solution. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. As in the rectangle, length is longer than the width. So length will be 4 centimeter and width will be 3 centimeter. You will put these values in this formula. And the formula of area of rectangle is length multiplied by width. And the length is 4 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. So you will put it here. 4 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter, you will get 12 centimeter square. 4 3s are 12, okay, and centimeter is also multiplied by centimeter. So you will write centimeter square because centimeter is multiplied 2 times. So you will write centimeter square. So area of this rectangle is 12 centimeters square. Always write the unit of length, and the unit of length is centimeter, and the area of rectangle is in centimeter square. So you will write it centimeter square with the answer. Okay students, you will do in the remaining parts in your homework. Now challenge 2. Pick the rectilinear shapes. First of all, I will tell you what is rectilinear shape. Okay students, the definition of rectilinear shape. Rectilinear shape can be defined as the plane shapes all of whose sides meet at right angles. It means that the shapes with plane surface. Okay students, the shapes with plane surface and whose sides meet at right angle. It means that if the shape has any plane surface and it will make right angle from all sides. Okay students, the shape with plane surface and it will make right angle from all sides. It is called rectilinear shapes. This is the definition of rectilinear shape. Please learn it very well because you are doing first time, so you have to learn it carefully. Rectilinear shapes. Okay students, I explain again. The shapes which have plane surface and they make right angles from all sides, it is called rectilinear shapes. For example, this shape, you can see this shape has plane surface from all sides. Look here, okay, these, and from all side it is making right angle. Okay students, from this side you can see, from this side you can see, it is making right angle from all side. From here, from here, from here you can see. Okay, this is rectilinear shape. And the next shape, this is a you can see it square. From here you can see it is making right angle. Okay, from here you can see it is making right angle. From this corner it is also making right angle, and from this corner it is also making right angle. It means that from all sides it is making right angles. So this shape is rectilinear shape, and also this shape has plane surface. Now this shape, L shape, you can see this is a plane surface from all sides, and from here it is making right angle, from here it is making right angle, from here it is making right angle. So it means that it is rectilinear shape. Now question number 1 of challenge 2, you have to tick the rectilinear shapes. There are given many shapes, but you will tick these shapes that are given in example. These are rectilinear shapes. Okay, student, you will tick this shape, and this shape from your question number 1 of challenge 2. Only these three shapes are rectilinear shapes. Okay, students, you got it? Okay, students, goodbye. Have a good time. Miss you. Love you all. Take care.